Welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to enable alert notifications for calls on Messenger. If you've been missing important calls because the notifications weren't coming through the way you wanted, then this quick guide will help you fix that in just a few simple steps. Stay with me, because by the end, your Messenger call alerts will be set exactly how you need them. Let's begin. First, open your phone and head over to Settings. This is where all the main options for your device can be found, and it's the place to go when you want to take full control of app permissions and notifications. Once you're inside Settings, scroll down until you find Apps. Tap on it, and you'll see a complete list of all the apps installed on your phone. From this list, locate Messenger and tap to open its settings. Now that you're inside Messenger's app settings, look for the option called Notifications. This is where you can manage how Messenger communicates with you whenever you get a message, a call, or any other type of alert. Go ahead and tap on Notifications. Within the Notifications menu, you'll need to select Notification Categories. This section is designed to give you more detailed control, letting you choose exactly how you want Messenger to alert you for different types of activity. From here, scroll down and find the option labeled Calls. Tap on it. This is where you'll customize how incoming calls from Messenger appear on your device. Finally, you'll see an option to select the type of notification you prefer. Choose Alert. By doing this, you're allowing Messenger to play sound, show a banner, and grab your attention whenever someone tries to call you through the app. And that's all it takes. With these settings enabled, you won't have to worry about missing any important Messenger calls again. The alerts will pop up clearly on your device, so you can answer right away. If you found this walkthrough helpful, make sure your settings stay updated, as phone updates may occasionally reset preferences. Thanks for watching.